Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your grocery shopping in the Flink app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Flink app. And here on the main page, you can see already the categories, for example, fruits, vegetables, bread, milk products, drinks, snacks, sweets. And if you would like to order something, then tap on the category, and here you will see the products. Eggplant. If you tap on the plus, you will put some more in your cart. For example, garlic. Tap on the plus. If you scroll down, spinach. Tap on the plus. Cucumber. Go back and select another category. For example, bread. Tap on which bread you would like to. Go back. Meat. And if you finished, then tap on the shopping cart. And here you will have your products. And at the checkout, you will have the price. Tap on the checkout. You will have to give your phone number. And after you added your phone number, then you can order the groceries. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.